Hello, welcome to Unit 2. The purpose of this video is to discuss with you the Unit 2 Reading Comprehension assignment. Alright, we're going to scroll down here to Unit 2 Resources, and in Unit 2 Resources we'll see the article we'll be reading for this unit. This unit's reading comprehension, planner, essay, and then the eventual source evaluation assignment will all deal with this article or the topic of the article. So make sure you read it and you read it thoroughly. To help you read it thoroughly, we are going to do a reading comprehension assignment. So I'm going to scroll down to reading comprehension questions here. Alright, so I'm going to take a look here and show you the assignment, like the kind of questions you'll come across with the paper worksheet rather than the actual assignment, and I'll explain that later. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to open up the value of failure, and then you're going to download this and print it out, whatever you want, or just work on it on your computer and take your notes on it as you are reading the value of failure. So the kind of questions you're going to deal with are before reading questions. So before you read the article, you're doing your preliminary scan. So what do you think the topic is? What do you already know about that topic? What is the organizational structure of the article? So are you seeing headings, paragraphs, bullet points and things like that? And then based on your preliminary scans, what are 2 questions you have on the article? So you'll do that just before you're reading, before you even start reading, just like after your preliminary scan. And then while you're reading, you want to take notes on words that you were unfamiliar or uncomfortable with. By uncomfortable, it's more like, I think I know what it means, but I'm not 100% sure. Then you're going to mark any types of evidence that you see, like did the of the value of failure use statistics, historical facts, opinions, interviews, examples, so on and so forth. And then list 3 things you highlighted, underlined, or marked as important points. Now the final section of this worksheet is the after reading, which is just to kind of help you absorb and think critically about what you just read. So like, what do you think the purpose was? What do you think the main idea was? What did you find most interesting, most confusing? Were your preview questions from the before reading section answered or not? And they don't always have to be answered. Sometimes our preview questions and the article are, kind of are in 2 different directions because, again, a preview, a scan, just gives you a hint of what you're going to be reading about, but we don't fully know until we read it. And then it's going to ask you about the supporting detail you liked or agreed with the most or understood the best, and who would benefit the most from the article. Alright, so once you're done reading value of failure and you've completed this worksheet, you're going to go over here and transfer your answers from this worksheet version into this version here. As you can see, it's set up as a quiz. Now, this is because we can't build the worksheet, as you see here, into D2L like that. The only thing that can be built into the D2L is the submission box and a quiz. So we've built all of our worksheets are going to be built in like quizzes. But don't panic, they're not weighted differently. They're just worksheets, and there's going to be a little timer up top saying you only have 2 hours, but that's just because D2L also needs to have a timer. But it is not timed, and you can take however long you want on this assignment or however long you need to get it done. As long as that is before June 1st at 8 p.m. Alright, so that is the reading assignment comprehension. You'll see more details about that in your announcement as well. If you have any questions with the assignment, please email me.